Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do Chinese restaurants tenderize meat? Velveting meat is a Chinese cooking technique used in Chinese restaurants. The process of velveting is one where you marinate raw meat in cornstarch and egg white or bicarbonate of soda to give it a soft, slippery, velvety texture. How do I use baking soda to tenderize ground beef? Add ground beef to bowl and drizzle with solution of 2 tablespoons water and 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. Gently break apart beef with hands to distribute, but do not over-knead, causes toughness. Let sit for 15 to 20 minutes. What are 3 ways to tenderize meat? According to our trusty, food lover's companion, there are 3 ways you can tenderize meat chemically. Long, slow cooking. Use of a commercial meat tenderizer. Acecent is perhaps the best-known brand, or marinating in an acid-based marinade that contains enzymes, which break down connective tissue. How long can you tenderize beef with baking soda? The bottom line, 15 minutes is long enough to reap the benefits of a baking soda treatment, but don't worry if your dinner prep gets interrupted and you have to extend that time a bit. A 15-minute, or slightly longer, stint in a combination of water and baking soda keeps meat tender and moist when it's cooked. What does baking soda do to steak? The baking soda works with the pH level in the meat and neutralizes acids. As the pH level increases on the outside of the meat, it keeps the protein inside of the meat from getting too tight. When that happens, the meat stays tender when it cooks instead of toughening up, which is what typically happens.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.